and wait. And then on the next phrase, you lift your head up and look beautiful, please. Majestic. Okay? This arm comes up, you're going to look at it. It doesn't go very high. Just to the corner, and then you put it back down and watch it go back down. And then this one comes up to this corner, and you watch it all the way back down. Tummy in. This is really important. Your arms cross over. As you kneel up with your tummy pulled in nice and strong. And do you step on your right leg?
Yeah.
Step together, hands behind your back. Stay there until step forward so you can see what you're doing. Hop, step, or change. So what I just told you not to do, you are going to do this one. It's a bit like a polka. Okay, I want to see a really pointy toe when you turn your body. And I want to see that movement there. So I want to see that toe come out pointed. Step, forward, change. Hop, step, forward, change. So it's not like you're not going to bend your knee like you do in ballet at all. No, so stand here, you're just going to point out like that. Step, forward, change, hop, step. But it's not up and down on your toes. Hop, step, forward, change. Hop, step,